They got that locked off like a military area. And dude looked like he wanted to let me in too. I could have talked my way in there, but they got double rims. Come on. The red, black, and green. Nobody over here hooping though. You see. Can you dunk that? Can you dunk that? On a good day, I could probably grab rim. I don't think I'm dunking though. Another good look at the projects over here. Yeah. More Greene projects. Man, we could do like a little tournament over here. I don't like the ground though, man. We need to restore this, right? Yeah, they need to restore this shit, bro. If I get like about 50 or 100K, just laying around, I'm coming to restore this and I'm putting my logo right here. My N right here. Cause I learned a lot of stuff in this neighborhood. Mad shit. Alright, let's go. They got Park Court. The fort.